Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Outlook email signature with Logo. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Outlook app on your PC and click on the gear icon at the top right. From there, select Account from the left side and then click on Signatures. Now, click on Add Signature and enter a name for your signature. Once you've entered the name, go to the Insert tab at the top and select Picture. Here, choose the logo you want to use in your signature. After selecting it, you can adjust the logo according to your style and preference. Once everything looks good, simply click on the Save button. After saving, your signature will appear in the list. Now, if you go to New Mail and type anything, you can add your signature by going to the Insert tab, selecting Signature, and choosing the one you just created. It will instantly appear in your email, and that's it! So, that's basically how you can set up Outlook email signature with Logo. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.